Lemons by Plankton. There are many citrus trees in Berkeley, California. This is not a lemon tree. In Berkeley, California, the most common citrus tree you see is lemon tree. Many houses in Berkeley, California have lemon trees on their yards. This is not a lemon tree. It seems like every third or fourth house in Berkeley, California has a lemon tree. Not the new high-rises, just the older ones. This though is an orange from Berkeley, Alameda County, not related to Orange County, California. The citrus trees may carry fruits at different stages of ripeness, but also blossoms and flowers. While the main citrus season is on winter, these quality photos were taken on summer. Look at these lemons. These though are grapefruit. Lots and lots of grapefruit in a big citrus tree. Some citrus trees are still small. This is a small part of a small citrus tree. I do not know what citrus this is because all the fruits are still unripe. However, because this is Berkeley, California, there is a good chance it is a lemon. It is still blooming. Interestingly, some of the flowers seem to be turning into raw fruits. If I had not seen the rest of the little tree, I would not have guessed it to be a citrus. This, however, is a lemon. We are in Berkeley, California. Indeed, if life gives you lemons, you probably live in Berkeley, California. Lemons, that is what you get living in Berkeley. Lemons.